Hey there, my name is Majid and you're super welcome on my brand new channel about Swift development. Today we're going to talk about Vim mode in Xcode. So what is Vim? Vim is a text editor which puts the idea of text manipulations on the first place. Because most of the time we're not writing the text, we're navigating through it or manipulating it. And Vim provides us a set of commands allowing us to navigate and manipulate text in a much faster way. Let's start by enabling Vim mode in Xcode by going to the editor menu and selecting Vim mode option. As you can see, our cursor changes from vertical bar to white rectangle, which means you are in Vim's normal mode. You can't write text in this mode because every key press works as shortcut. For example, when you press J, it goes down. When you press K, it goes up by line. When you press L, it goes to the right, and when you press H, it goes to the left. But don't worry, Vim mode doesn't override Xcode shortcuts. You still can't use Command B to build your project or Command Shift O to go to another file. Vim mode allows us to navigate through text by words by using W. For example, when you press W, it goes to the start of the next word. You can also go to the end of the next word by using E, or you can go back by using B. So usually you are going to use WEB to navigate through words, or use J and K to navigate between lines. So it was basic movement commands in Vim. Let's start editing our code. Here we have dependency struct. Assume that we're working on fetch daily property and would like to refactor it to be fetch daily statistics. We can go to the end of the fetch daily by using E. Then we can press A to append after cursor. In this case, Vim switches to insert mode, and again your cursor is vertical bar, allowing us to type the text. For example, here we type statistics, and then we press escape to go back to normal mode. Usually you spend a lot of time in normal mode by switching to insert mode when you need to type something. In this case, we use A to append after cursor. We also can insert a new line. By using O, we insert a new line, and here we are adding new property, fetch age, for example. And again, we press escape to go back to normal mode. You can use U to undo the change. This is similar to Command Z. Another option to change the text is using C. C allows us to change. For example, here we have fetch food, and it has date interval parameter. Assume that we need to replace date interval with date. We can use C to change, and then we can use IV to change inside word. It means replacing the word. As you can see, Vim removes the word and moves us to insert mode, allowing us to write. Then we press escape to go to the normal mode. Again, we're using C to change, IV to indicate the word, and here we allowing to write something. The last thing Vim mode support in Xcode is visual selection mode. So to enable it, you should press V, and then you can use movement commands to select the text block. After selecting, you can use, for example, Y for copying. This is young. And then you can go anywhere and press P to paste these lines. Again, we use U to undo. Or, for example, we press V to enable visual mode, and then we can use D to delete the line. So V for enabling visual mod, then we can use movement to select the code and use D, for example, for deleting, Y for copying, and then we can use P for pasting. I think it's all you need to start using Vim. Try to enable Vim mode and master its commands. You will see the boost of productivity very soon. So, hope you liked the video and press the subscribe button to never miss another one. See you.